Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to a new series of our channel. In this series, I'm gonna show you how to mod GTA 5. Now, let's move to the first chapter of our series in which I'm gonna show you how to install Menyoo Trainer. So before going to the content, I have a big surprise for you guys. As you can see here, I have a folder named GTA 5 Upscaler. So many of you know what is upscaling mean. For those who don't know, imagine you're playing your game at 1080p resolution and you wanted to play at 4K for better image clarity. But unfortunately, let's say you have a low specs and you can't. So what does this upscaler do is, it'll upscale your 1080p to 4K without using your hardware or any specs. So you won't notice any performance issue or any lag issue, but your image clarity will be enhanced. So some might think this might contain virus because it's a free product, so I'm gonna scan it with McAfee Total Antivirus. So as you can see here, no threats found, and for extra proof, I'm gonna show you that I did not exclude any of the files I have scanned here. So now, in order to get this file, you must complete 1k subscriber challenge. So if my channel completes 1k subscribers, I'm gonna upload a dedicated video on how to install this mode, and in description I'm gonna post the download link. So share this video to as many friends as possible. Now let's install the mode and test it. As you can see here, the game has been launched and there is no jaggy edges because our DLSS mode is already been enabled. Ignore those yellow line comments because it's specially made for NVE shaders. Now I'll disable it and I'll show you how it looks without DLSS with native resolution. So there are a lot of jagged edges around Trevor's hair, the grass and the objects around you. So in order to come across these jagged edges, I'll enable upscaler by setting the target resolution to 2. Why 2 is 1080p will be multiplied with 2 in order to upscale it to 4K, which is nothing but 2160p. So what is happening is 1080p is being upscaled to 4K and being downscaled to 1080p in order to fit your screen. As you can see that the jagged edges have been gone without any performance issue, and there is no lag or there is no frame drops. There is no use of your hardware to upscale. So in order to get this mode, complete the 1k subscriber challenge as fast as possible, and I'll upload a dedicated video on how to install this mode with the download link in the description. Now coming back to the content, click on the first link in the description and you'll be redirected to this page where you'll download OpenIV setup. So after downloading it, go to the second link in the description and you'll be redirected to this page in which you will be downloading script2qv zip file. And after you click the third link in the description, you will be redirected to this page where you install Menyoo PC zip file. So I'm not going to download any of those because I have already installed it. Now here the version might be different for you, but make sure that current is written beside of that version and you must download the current file. So after downloading, close everything and come to the file manager where you have all the files. So first click on the OVA setup and install OpenIV. So OpenIV has been installed successfully. Close the setup and go to the desktop and launch OpenIV from there. Now it will ask you to select the games, in which you will select Grand Theft Auto 5 Windows Edition, and from here you will locate the GTA 5 directory where you have installed it and press the continue twice, and you'll start searching for the encryption key just to make sure that your GTA 5 is genuine. So just ignore it because it's gonna work on cracked versions too. Now make sure that you set that OpenIV to edit mode every time you launch it. So never forget that. As you can see here, there is a thing called edit mode. Press on that and press on S. Now as it is first time, it will ask you to install plugins for GTA 5 and it is must for the modes to be worked. Now install these three and ignore that ms afterburner reading because I have enabled it. Now allow the checkbox and press on yes and install the last mode also. Now close the OpenIV. That's it for OpenIV. Now go to the other two files which we have installed earlier, which is cryptokv and menuzip. Now after you extract this cryptokv.zip, you will come across these 5 files in which only 4 are required. So copy this 4 and paste it to the main game directory. So I already did it, so it's asked me to replace. So I'll replace the files in the destination and I'll go for the other mode, which is Menyoo Trainer. So I have already installed it. Even it is being downloaded in zip file. So after extracting, you'll come across these files in which you're gonna select menu.asi and menu stuff and copy it to the main game directory. After copying it, you're all set to go. Now you can close everything and launch the GTA 5. Now after opening GTA 5, make sure to press F8 twice. For me it has come in single try, for you it may not, so press F8 twice, or if it still doesn't come, make sure to press Fn plus F8. Now as you can do a lot of stuff in menu, let's say I'll spawn one vehicle. So go to the vehicle options and one second, yeah, vehicle options and vehicle vehicle spawner, and from there, example, let's spawn one supercar like 811, and as you can see here, the vehicle has been spawned successfully. Now to go back, make sure to press backspace. Okay, now let's say I want speedometer, so I'll turn it to digital, and if you want you can turn it to analog, but I like digital, so I'll go for digital. And if you want in miles per hour, you must set it to imperial, and if you want in kilometers per hour, you will set it to metric. So press backspace and you'll exit Menyoo Trainer. Now this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll solve all your problems. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.